On this problem, problem 3b, you're going to use the less than, equal to, or greater than symbol to compare the pairs of numbers. So you've got 4 problems, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On each problem, you've got 2 sets of numbers or 2 different amounts. The first one says 3 tens, you've got your circle, and then it says 25 ones, okay? On each of these problems, what you'll be doing, I'm trying to find my pencil, what you'll be doing is you'll be writing the symbol in the circle. So inside of the circle, I'll do some examples for you down here on the bottom. Inside the circle, you're either going to write greater than, if the first amount is greater. You're going to write less than if the second amount is greater, or if the 2 amounts on both sides are the same, they equal the same amount, you're going to write equals. You are not writing a number in the circle. You are not writing letters. You are writing the symbol less than, equal to, or greater than. They don't just give you numbers either. You're going to have to figure out what it is. So over here for 1 10 and 14 ones and 2 tens and 4 ones, you could draw. You could draw 2 tens and 4 ones if you don't know what that is, okay? Use your smart brain to help you. Good luck.